Thunderstorms are fascinating. A small cluster of cumulus clouds can quickly bellow into gigantic cumulonimbus clouds capable of producing a beautiful display of lightning and rumbles of thunder. Although it's tempting to watch a nighttime sky lit up with branches of lightning and wait in anticipation for the sonic boom of thunder that follows, the risk of being struck by lightning, particularly if you're outdoors, is too great. Lightning is one of the top 3 storm-related killers in the United States. In the United States, there are between 20 and 25 million cloud-to-ground lightning flashes each year. Each one of those 25 million flashes is a potential killer. Based on the data for the last 30 years, lightning has killed more than 1,500 people in the United States, an average of 51 people per year based on documented cases. In addition, during this same period, lightning has injured an estimated 15,000 people, some left with lifelong neurological damage. How well do you know lightning facts and safety? Take this short quiz to find out. True or false? If you hear thunder and can count to 10 seconds before the next rumble of thunder, you are safe to be outside, but only for a brief period of time. The answer is false. If you hear thunder, you are within striking distance. Remember, when thunder roars, go indoors. Let's say you are at a company baseball game. Suddenly you see a lightning flash and you hear thunder. There are no structured buildings nearby. The umpire tells the team to seek shelter in the dugout. The coach points out the picnic pavilion that he feels is a safer place for shelter. The pitcher says the safest place will be in the vehicles. The opposing team wants to continue to play. Who has the best option under these circumstances? The answer is C, as suggested by the pitcher. The safest place is inside a sturdy building. However, that option is not always available. No place outside is safe in or near a thunderstorm. Stop what you're doing and get to a safe place immediately. Small outdoor buildings, including dugouts, rain shelters, sheds, are not safe. Substantial buildings with wiring and plumbing are the safest places. A hard-topped metal vehicle with the windows closed also provides good protection. Avoid contact with metal in the vehicle and try to keep away from the windows. True or false? The National Weather Service will issue severe thunderstorm watches or warnings if numerous lightning strikes are expected with thunderstorms. The answer is false. Lightning is not a criterion for severe thunderstorms. Hail that is at least 1 inch in diameter, wind damage, and or wind gusts that are 58 miles per hour or greater are the criteria for severe thunderstorms. In other words, if thunderstorms are in the forecast, always be prepared to seek shelter, whether or not severe thunderstorm watches or warnings are issued. What has a bigger factor in where lightning strikes? The presence of metal, such as jewelry, MP3 players, and cell phones, or height and isolation? Height, pointy shape, and isolation are the dominant factors controlling where a lightning bolt will strike. The presence of metal makes absolutely no difference on where lightning strikes. Mountains are made of stone, but get struck by lightning many times a year. When lightning threatens, take proper protective action immediately by seeking a safe shelter. Don't waste time removing metal. While metal does not attract lightning, it does conduct it, so stay away from metal fences, railing, and bleachers. True or false? The National Weather Service has a website that offers lightning safety toolkits for organizations and large venues such as golf courses, lifeguards, and stadiums. The answer is true. The website you see here has almost everything you need to know about lightning, including toolkits to help communities and large venues prepare for thunderstorms. There are also great resources that include animations on the science behind lightning, as well as common myths about lightning. This website is one of the many resources from the National Weather Service designed to help our communities build a weather-ready nation. This concludes the lightning presentation and quiz. On behalf of the National Weather Service, I want to thank you for listening.